Amna Ameen from 6th Orange, Beacon House, Potohar Campus Girls. Today I will explain how to solve a mathematical equation using Bodmas or order of operations. Let's take a look at what Bodmas is. B is for bracket, O for order, square or cube. D is for division. M stands for multiplication. A is for addition. And S means subtraction. For your understanding, we will solve questions, 3 questions which will get advanced by time. The first question is 4 plus 8 plus bracket 12 divided by 3 minus 4. It is fairly easy, but you can mess it up by not using order of operations. First, let's solve the bracket according to Bodmas. We get 4. Then, according to the order of operations, we will add the sum. We will add the addition sums. Now we have 16 minus 4. Simply subtract and we get 12 as the final answer. Let's take a look at the intermediate level question. 4 plus 16 plus 20 minus 40 plus bracket 2 multiplied by bracket 30 divided by 15. So let's solve the inner bracket. 30 divided by 15. 30 divided by 15 is 2. Then we go to the larger bracket. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. The statement now is 4 plus 6 plus 20 minus 40 plus 4. We add all the positive integers and we have 44 minus 40. And the answer is 4. See how simple it is to solve large equations using Bodmas. Let's solve the last and advanced question. 2 square plus 3 square plus bracket 2 plus 4 plus bracket 64 minus 2. We solve the inner brackets first. We get 6 and 62. The squares of 2 and 3 are 4 and 9. We have to add 4 plus 9 plus 6 plus 62. And the total is 81, which is our answer. So what did we learn today? Bodmas is an order of operations in which we solve equations. It is very important as it affects the answer. As we take 2 plus 2 multiplied by 2 is 6, but without Bodmas we get the answer 8, which is wrong. I hope you understood the concept. Stay tuned for next other concept.